Hello and welcome to Azure Wala YouTube channel. We are in part 7 of Azure Solutions Architect Expert series. So far we have completed 9 questions in previous videos. Today we are going to discuss question number 10 and 11. Question 10. You have an Azure subscription. The subscription contains Azure virtual machines that run Windows Server 2016 and Linux. You need to use Azure Monitor to design an alerting strategy for security related events. Which Azure Monitor logs tables should you query? Azure Monitor is a comprehensive monitoring solution that collects, analyzes, and acts upon telemetry data from cloud and on-premises environment. It collects the information in Azure Monitor logs tables. We are given here 4 table names, and the question is that where it is going to store events from Windows event logs, and the second question is where it is going to store events from Linux system logging. The first table name is Azure Activity. Azure Activity table stores subscription level or management group level events that occur in Azure, and it doesn't store the operating system level events. Therefore, this is incorrect. Second is Azure Diagnostics. Azure Diagnostics table stores resource logs for Azure service that use Azure Diagnostic mode. Resource logs describe the internal operation of Azure resources. Therefore, it doesn't store any operating system level events. Next Azure Monitor log table is Event, which stores events from Windows Event Log on Windows computers using Log Analytics agent. Therefore, this is the correct answer for question number 1. Next one is syslog table in Azure Monitor logs. Syslog table stores syslog events on Linux computers using Log Analytics agent. Therefore, this is the correct answer for question number 2. Question 11. You are designing a large Azure environment that will contain many subscriptions. You plan to use Azure Policy as part of governance solution. To which 3 scopes can you assign Azure Policy definitions? Option A is Azure Active Directory Administrative Units. Administrative unit is a resource that acts as container for other Azure Active Directory resources such as users, groups, or devices. They are designed to restrict permissions in a role to a specific portion of an organization, and it is not used as the scope for Azure Policy. Therefore, it is incorrect answer. Option B, Azure Active Directory Tenants. Azure Active Directory Tenant is a dedicated instance of Azure Active Directory that an organization or app developer receives at the beginning of a subscription. It represents a single organization, and it is not used as the scope for Azure Policy. Therefore, it is incorrect answer. Option C, subscriptions. Subscription is a logical container used to provision resources in Microsoft Azure. It holds the details of all resources like virtual machines, database, etc. And subscription can be used as scope in Azure Policy definition. Therefore, it is a correct answer. Option D, compute resources. Virtual or physical machines and the related resources that provide computing capabilities to run applications and workloads are called compute resources, and we cannot provide compute resources as a scope in Azure Policy definition. Therefore, it is incorrect answer. Option E is resource groups. Resource group is a container that hold related resources for Azure solution. Therefore, it can be used as the scope in Azure policy definition. Option F is management groups. Management group is a collection of multiple subscriptions that you can manage as a single entity, and it can be used as scope in Azure policy definition. Further, you can see in the diagram that on the top level we have management groups which can contain multiple subscriptions, and under the subscriptions we have resource group and then the resources. So we can provide the Azure policy definition on management group level, subscription level and resource group level, and to individual resource. Therefore, option C, option E and option F are the correct answer. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.